Hi guys, it's Tony. Today I'm checking out a couple of blenders, some budget blenders, both from leading supermarkets. This one is from George Home, Asda, and this one is from Tesco. The biggest difference is that the George has a detachable blending wand. Alright, so let's get this out of the box. I've got a big bowl of veg that I'm going to blend and turn it into soup. So first inspection, I like the fact that you can just take this off, give it a white rinse, put it in. So this is 200 watt and this one is 150. So this one is slightly more stronger, so we'll go with the Asda one to begin with. Right. Seems pretty good. So far, so good. Plug in the Tesco one. We're also checking the noise level as well on these hand blenders. So that's the problem you've got with these, is that you can't rinse it, you've got to take the whole thing out. So what would I say would be the better one? Well, I'd say definitely go with the George. I'm going to try that one more time. Got a reasonably long flex, although I've got about 1,000,000 knots in it. It feels a little bit more stronger as well, because this is 200 watt, the other's 150. It just means you can break down all that veg and whatever else you're blending. And it's really super convenient. Just take that off, give it a rinse, good to go. So winner, George, definitely. Although the Tesco feels nice and strong, I think the George. And the only thing I was a little bit let the George down was the trigger, where I think the Tesco one feels a little bit stronger, but basically they're about the same length, got the same hanging hooks on them, same distancing cord, pretty much the same. And if you look at both the whisk and blend there, the ones are exactly the same. Although the George has got that little extra for breaking down. So again, the George wins on the one side of things as well. Both these blenders can be bought for about £10. They're really handy. You know they're made in China, but for that price, it just saves you. It does loads and loads of jobs around the kitchen. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.